This episode tracks how many hours people must work to afford a vintage typewriter in different countries. Using standard prices and median wages, it compares affordability across economies. In wealthier nations, the gap narrows as wages rise faster than prices, while in emerging markets the typewriter remains a hurdle. The story mirrors how everyday goods reveal global inequality and suggests practical budgeting and policy implications. Next, the channel will swap the typewriter for another classic tool and map the change across borders.